Welcome back to All by Wally Design. Today I'm gonna show you how to redesign this dress. So that's the back side of the dress. For a customer, when we try on, she can't zip all the way until the waistline. So what we have to do, we're gonna open the back side until the zipper. So first I'm gonna remove the zipper and then we're gonna open the back side just until the zipper. So first I will remove zipper only until the waistline, and then I'll mark the lines, same thing the waistline. And since we have the lining, I will cut ½ inch from the line where I marked. After I cut it, I fold the lining and the fabric inside and then I pin it, and also I will press it. That way we can do the top stitch. Now we're gonna sew the top stitch. Make sure to take off the pins if you don't want to risk to break the needle. And make sure to sew exactly same distance. So this is our final result, open dress, and customer can easily zip it and wear the dress.